Okay, this is the Starlink app. So regarding naman sa obstruction, so sa Starlink na app meron option dito na obstruction. So ito lang yung guide nyo guys. So makikita nyo yan, kung kulay blue means clear view, meaning malakas yung signal na nakukuha ng Starlink. No data is yan, at obstruction is yung kulay pula. So naka-obstruction dito kasi nandito sa ibabaw ng roof, may roof dito sa ibabaw. So pero dito naman yan, so clear sky naman yan dyan. So dyan okay, may signal, tsaka makikita nyo rin dito yung statistics. Yan, yan yung ping, yung latency, power, yan, tsaka dito na lahat pati speed test. Yan na, pati speed test, pwede nyo i-speed test dyan. So goods na goods.